Okay, we're looking at a job that the guys just finished today, and this one has the 1 7/8 crown molding on the top. They did a florentine color, it's called, for the walls. That's actually a Liberty recessed caddy there, and the tiramisu base. Then we did the oil rub bronze fixtures. Fully frameless door. This one actually, they put a new style sweep on the door now, so it'll actually catch the door, so the door doesn't go all the way through, and it'll also help with water not leaking out. You can do that both ways. We can either put that particular piece in, or we can leave it out. It's totally up to the homeowner. Only thing left to do is just a little touch-up paint is all right there on the edges. We just use color mat, or just a regular caulk on that. It's a paintable caulk, and then that just gets painted the same color as the walls. So there we go. All done. 48 by 34 shower with a full height base all the way up to the ceiling.